Practice Test 3. Part 4. Question 46. A 20 HP induction motor has a full load current of 54 amps on a 240 volt circuit with a phase angle of 30 degrees. What is the true power used by the circuit? 19,440. Formula. Amps times volts times COS, of angle times 1.732, which equals true power used by the circuit, VA. 20 HP motor, full load at 54 amps on 240 volts, with phase angle 30 degrees. True power is amps times COS of angle, times 1.732, equals 19,440 VA of circuit. 20 HP motor, full load at 54 amps on 240 volts, with phase angle 30 degrees. True power is amps times COS of angle, times 1.732, equals 19,440 VA of circuit. Question 47. What is the minimum voltages that should be used for a motor rated at 120 VAC? 108. 108 volt minimum for motor rated at 120 VAC. Minimum voltage of motor rated for 120 VAC is 108 volt. Question 48. What is the normal voltage drop using a 50 foot of number 14 wire carrying 15 amps? 2.50. 2.50 voltage drop on number 14 wire 15 amps at 50 feet. 50 feet of number 14 wire at 15 amps, voltage drop 2.50. Question 49. Which of the following is the ground wire color on a branch circuit? Green. Ground wire on branch circuit is green. Green is ground on a branch circuit. Question 50. What is the connection to the main panel called when an additional fuse panel is added? Power takeoff. Additional fuse panel added to the main panel is a power takeoff. Power takeoff is an additional fuse panel added to the main panel. Question 51. Who should be contacted if the voltage is too low coming into the main service panel? The power company. Contact the power company when voltage coming into the service is too low. If voltage is too low coming into the service, contact power company. Question 52. An approved metallic shielding for electrical wire is called thin wall conduit. Thin wall conduit is an approved metallic shielding for wire. Thin wall conduit is an approved metallic shielding for wire. Question 53. What size branch circuit can usually be recommended by code for heating a furnace? 15 amp. Recommended branch circuit for a heating furnace is 15 amps. 15 amp branch circuit recommended for heating furnace. Question 54. How many circuits are required to operate a 2-speed fan? Just one circuit. Only one circuit is required to operate a 2-speed fan. 2-speed fans only require one circuit to operate. Question 55. On a call for heating, what two terminals on the thermostat close make? R and W. R and W make closed on thermostat for heating. Heating thermostat, R and W make close. Question 56. An electrician is running conduit at a gas station hazardous location. The conduit must be sealed off at 18 inches. Conduit through hazardous location, gas station, must be sealed off at 18 inches. Conduit must be sealed at 18 inches when run through hazardous location, gas station. Question 57. With a cutout temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit for the limit control, what would the normal cut-in be? 175 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the usual cutout temperature for the secondary control unit? 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Cutout temp of 200 degrees Fahrenheit for limit. Normal cut-in is 175 degrees Fahrenheit and usual cutout for secondary is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Cutout temp for limit 200 F. Normal cut-in 175 F. Secondary cutout is 145 F. Question 58. When the thermostat calls for cooling, what two terminals on the thermostat close make? R and Y. R and Y make closed on thermostat for cooling. Cooling thermostat, R and Y make close. Question 59. What control device activates a timed fan start? Thermostat. Thermostat activates a timed fan start. Timed fan start are activated by thermostat.